And you are pushing this truck, sir?
I'm pushing this one.
Are you saying the truck is pushing?
Yeah. From Iba, I move, come back again, come to Emoha, move, go to Choba. From Choba, enter Alo. From Alo, come to Ahoda. From Alo, I go to Amagwa. From Amagwa to Ilele is 15 kilometers. From Ilele to Umulelu is almost 10 kilometers. From Umulelu to Muakpu is 7 kilometers.
And you are pushing this truck, sir?
I'm pushing this one.
Are you saying the truck is pushing?
Yeah.
So he's telling me that instead of going to school, going to university to waste your money, and at the end of the day, you will still look for a job and you will not see job in Nigeria. That it is better for you after you are O-level that you should start a business. Saha.
Because I'm even surprising about all those people. When you try finish your secondary school, start business. Most for you to go front, just do a diploma or NCA. It's okay for you. Then the remaining money, use and do business. I started my business from 5,000 naira. But now I have almost 4-point-something million naira, alhamdulillah. I'm a family man now. I use that word marry. Today I'm okay. And I'm using almost 6 states. Use my leg without entering bike or motor. I'm moving anywhere. Go to Ore to Onitsha to Enugu to Abakalake. Sometime from Abakalake, still I'm moving to Cross River, go to Ogoja. From Ogoja now I enter Benue State, Kasanala. From Kasanala go to Zakibem. All those I'm moving almost 7 states. Only me, because I'm a trader. And I'm not thinking about a government who is government, because many of youths, we are keeping ourselves about government. We are looking who is government. Let us hustle on our own. I'm a man like you. I'm hustling day and night. Sometime when I move night like this, I'll sleep on the bush and nothing will happen to me. When you spend almost million and something naira to go university, you come back no work. Ending, you do Okada. Ending, you are begging people. When you finish your secondary school, please start do business. If you know how to read and write, you qualify. The highest book, read and write, you are okay. Don't bother yourself, you go and graduate. Many Nigerians are graduate, no work. Our leaders, only God will forgive them. But today, when you try finish your secondary school, start to do business. I'm a man like you, I'm a human being, but I'm moving almost 7 states using leg. Almost, I'm moving that 7 states almost in 1 month and making my money, feed my family. My children are going to school, and I have 12 children, 3 wives with this business. So please, I'm begging all the youths, don't look at government, start on your own, do your business. Because from secondary school, you go and check the history of Bill Gates. The highest richest man, even the man never finished secondary school, they pursue him. Today, how he be? Not by force for you to be a graduate. Business is the best. Go and look, just go and check record of Dangote. The highest richest man in the whole world, part of black people. Go and check his history. Go and check Bua. Go and check this man, Erano, Alaja Walu. Go and look all those people. They are doing a business. Today, even you are happy. Maybe you see them or your sister or your brother want to marry about their family, you are happy. Start. Then start it like that. I started my business. Today, alhamdulillah, I'm okay. I'm not fearing moving all area. I dey go Imo, Enugu, Anambra. I'm going even from Echie here, enter Aba. I dey use my leg. I dey go Akwa Ibom. No mean. So far, my family will eat bellyful. I'm okay. I'm just thinking about my family. Maybe if I'm pushing this one, you look like I'm suffering. I'm not suffering. You sit down looking for government work, you are suffering. Because if you look even the government work, they are not paying them. Before we know, when you look 1999, they are paying even the government workers like police, army, custom, immigration, they are paying on 24. But now, even new moons, second 2 weeks on the new moon before they are paying him. Then how about you, when you are looking for those people, you are waiting for their money, enter, they give you even a police. How much they are paying a policeman? A salary of policeman I'm making a 1 day. Because I'm a businessman, I'm a trader. People are crying about Tinubu government. I'm not feeling anything about Tinubu government. Or last day when you ask me, I will not say we have a president. But truly, I swear, wallahi, I don't know whether we have a president or not. Because they don't care about us. As they don't care about us, how? I'm holding it on my own. I don't know anything like Tinubu, Buhari. No one I'm reasoning about. Only business is the best. Do your business. Nothing past your business. Make sure you do business. If you look at our fellow brothers like Igbos, they are doing a business. They are business people. When they finish their secondary school, they are going business. Go and look. In fact, go US, you will look at Igbo. No country that you go in this world, you will not see Igbo man. Those people, they are business and still they are trying. They are trying. But people don't understand about them. But think and reason. Don't look at government work